The City of Coral Gables is proud to recognize our 5th certified Coral Gables Green business in Andromeda District. Andromeda District is a company that specializes in design and development of natural spaces. Their mission is to offer a first-class experience in the installation of green living wall systems while promoting sustainability. All their plants are Florida-grown and support the local agricultural sector, at the same time creating jobs locally. And we're proud to recognize them, and I want to turn it over to Mark. We're going to present them with a plaque that's as sustainable as their business, made out of recycled barnwood. They've achieved gold level certification for a green business.
The City of Coral Gables is blessed to have you here. And as a commission that is dedicated, as a city that is dedicated, as a chamber that is dedicated to resiliency, to sustainability, to innovation, we need more companies like yours calling Coral Gables home. I want you to know that our offices are always open to help you in any way that we can. And I see that your business is the future. I see that type of innovative green wall becoming part of not only just buildings, but becoming part of everyone's home. Congratulations. We welcome you to the city. We're blessed to have you.